In this video, we are going to show you how to add a pixelated mosaic blur transition in CapCut Mobile. Now, open your CapCut Mobile and create a new video, right? And you just choose video clips or photos that you want to add, like so. Now, it's going to be automatically added to your timeline. There you go. So if we scroll to the left, this is the video that we got first, and then this is the second one. So how do we add a blurred mosaic transition in between? So you're gonna see this white box here that has like a line, a vertical line, right? So if I tap on it like so, this is where your transition is going to be. And here it's it highlighted on trending, right? We want to scroll until we see blur, right? So blur, there we go. Tap on blur, and then the mosaic transition is going to be on the very bottom. So there's a lot of blur effects here. So just scroll to the very bottom, and then you're going to see mosaic here, right on our left hand side. So tap on mosaic. There you go. And you can actually adjust how much it's going to affect the video. So for example, we want 1 second. There you go. And we can actually play it, right? So if we go about that and then play it again, and there you go. That is pretty much the blur. And that's how you do it. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.